What's up, everyone? I'm back with another video. Today I'm going to be reviewing the Chase Sapphire Preferred card, and personally I think that this is the best card that you can get your hands on. Right off the bat, this card comes with a 100,000 bonus point offer when you spend $4,000 in the first 3 months. So what does that mean? That is equivalent to $1,000 in cash if you use it for cash, but if you use it for travel, that ends up being $1,250 in travel credit, which is absolutely insane. I have never seen a card have this high of a bonus point offer. I mean, I think Amex has at some point, but I never saw it. I'm really regretful that I did not wait to get this card. I got the Chase Sapphire Reserve. I didn't know that they were going to offer the Chase Sapphire Preferred for 100,000 bonus points. But yeah, not much I can do about it now. But if you haven't got this Chase Sapphire Reserve or the Chase Sapphire Preferred, I highly would encourage you to at least look and consider it, because this is just a spectacular offer. I don't know how long they're going to be offering it, but take advantage if you can. Yeah, that's definitely the highest bonus point offer that Chase has ever offered. So yeah, just turn off this video right now and go apply for that card. Don't even listen to the rest of what else I have to say, because really it's not much. It's just that huge bonus point offer. So again, $1,000 cash or $1,250 in travel. And the way you'd get that travel credit is that you'd use it through the Chase Ultimate Rewards portal. When you have a Chase card, it's on the app. It's really easy to use. Anybody with common sense can figure it out. But yeah, besides that huge bonus point offer, you get 2% back on travel and dining, and then you get 1% back on every other purchase. What else? You also get no foreign transaction fee. So when you use this card abroad, in Europe or wherever else you are, you won't get charged a foreign transaction fee. So for those who don't know, typically credit cards charge you 3% if you use them outside of the country. Like if I go to Toronto, if I go to Canada and use this card, like another card, not this card, let's say a random card, typically I'll get charged 3%. But with a card like this, you won't get that charge, which is great. Really convenient to have, especially when you're spending like hundreds or thousands of dollars outside the country. That can really add up. So yeah, you don't have to worry about carrying cash or anything. You can just use a card like this. So yeah, there's a bunch of insurance perks. Not a bunch, but there's some. But I'm not really going to get into that because I don't think that those are what make the card worth it. I think it's really the biggest thing about this card is the bonus point offer, the 2% back on travel and dining, and then of course the 1% back on everything else. And then what did I just say? The no foreign transaction fee. Those are the three big things. Now I will say that this card does have a $95 annual fee, but if you can do math and you have some common sense, $1,250 in travel credit, $95 annual fee. I think that's an easy one to figure out. Even if you don't want to use this card for travel, if you can spend $4,000 in the first 3 months, this is a great card to have because you can still redeem it for $1,000 cash back. Like, that's absolutely berserk. It's crazy. I can't believe that they're offering this. I don't know what's going on at Chase. If they're not getting many applications or whatever, they need people to spend money. But yeah, I would really advise trying to take advantage of this because it's not going to be around for long. Before this, it was 80,000, and I think the standard offer is like 60,000, which is still good, but not even comparable to the 100,000 bonus point offer. So yeah, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you have any comments or any suggestions or any other type of videos or reviews that you want to see, drop them down in the comment below. Please hit that subscribe button if you like this video and you want to see more. Also turn on post notifications so you can be notified when I post. That's it for this video. Thanks so much for tuning in, and see you in the next one. See you in the next video. I was trying to say them both at the same time. Yeah, see you in the next one.